back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be in the healthcare field. I know I share a lot of healthcare videos. I know I did gain a lot of subscribers from my healthcare videos, so I know a lot of you are here for these specifically. But if you're not interested in healthcare, please let me know down below what you're interested in. One of the reasons I share a lot of healthcare positions is that they really are a decent paying job. I have shared some very high paying positions before, and not a lot of people watch those videos. You seem to be kind of skeptical of the ones that are paying like $90,000, $100,000 a year up to $200,000 a year. Now, sometimes things I share do require a college degree, but a lot of what I try to share is what most people would qualify for. However, people also don't want the low-paying jobs like the $24,000 to $30,000 jobs because you just can't simply in the United States live off that these days. So healthcare positions, even customer service, tend to pay at least $50,000 to $60,000, which is a livable wage. So that is just a little bit of explanation about why sometimes I share the job leads that I share. But if you have any suggestions on how I can gear this channel better towards helping you, please let me know in the comments down below. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Torch Dental. Now, Torch Dental only has 49 reviews on Glassdoor, but they do have a great rating of a 4.2 out of 5 stars from those reviews. They are hiring a customer experience analyst. Now, don't let the word analyst fool you. This seems to only require a basic customer service experience and does pay fairly decent. They are hiring remote within the United States only. But they are basically looking for a customer experience analyst to manage day-to-day communications with their dental practices by managing all incoming customer needs through their various channels, including live chat, email, and phone. So Torch helps to streamline supplies and associated paperwork with different dental practices so the dental practices can have more time to see patients and deliver that actual patient care rather than doing the administrative work. They basically have a customer service group that just handles the different administrative burdens of multiple dental practices. They are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position, just somebody who has great communication skills, someone who can be a problem solver, someone who can have a positive attitude and multitask, be detail-oriented, and it says that they prefer somebody who has ideally 0 to 2 years of some kind of customer-facing experience or customer service experience. They are looking for somebody either located on the East Coast or Central time zones. Now, again, about that pay, salary range for this position is anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year, and they offer a benefit package that includes medical and dental coverage, 401k, paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, if you have any suggestions on how I could do things better to make job leads more helpful for you, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.